Hi guys, welcome to our channel today, and today we're going to be showing you another problem that we encountered with regards to our former PPF brand. Let's just call it Brand X. Now today's battle is not what your normal battle would be, stone chips, tricycles or anything like that, but today we're encountering a battle against tree saps and bird droppings. So this car we've protected using the old brand that we carried. It's a 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. It was special ordered through the dealership here, and to date it has 1,500 kilometers, and from day one it was protected with Brand X, and now it's here for its annual maintenance, which we automatically migrated to our new brand, Modesta and Auto Skin. So I'd like to show you guys, if you come around here, it's not your normal issue. Your normal issues normally would be little dots, stone chips, etc. But because of the low mileage, the main purpose of having the paint protected was because this car has no permanent garage. It's parked outside, under a tree, outside where wildlife is roaming around. And if you can see, the only thing we did when we got the car over the weekend was we washed it, we soaked it, and then now we're dealing with a weird encounter. So if you take a look at this spot, it's not a stone chip. It probably looked like this before, but this one took the most out of it, and this one too. So what looks to me as if that the acidity of the whatever dropping or remnant or whatever you want to call this has seeped or ate into the protective layer of the PPF. So again, you always see my PPF is more shiny, my PPF has no worms, my PPF has all these things, whatever claims that they should. But I guess the most important is for you to think on what you're investing in, to research and to properly find out what you're buying into and what kind of a back-end support you will be getting. So in this case, my good friend has actually allowed me to cut this hood apart, remove the bad part. We'll purposely leave this part of the bird droppings. We will actually try to remove these ones with some water stain removers that we have in-house. So this one we will be replacing with Auto Skin ACT, Advanced Coat Technology PPF. So we will be doing the exact same thing, experimenting on it. We'll see our true to claims on this PPF. So you'll see how important it is to spend and to think twice before buying something or to go into something, because you never know. It's not always what's advertised. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you.